10 years in the making, it's the engineering marvel that all of Mumbai has been waiting for. Just a few days before it opens, Rohan Joshi was lucky enough to check out every commuter's dream, the Bandra Worli Sea Link.
Now, as an auto journalist, reviewing cars, that's normal. I mean, it's cool, but that's what we do. That's the job. It isn't often that you're called upon to review a road. But then again, not every road is this, the Bandra Worli Sea Link. So let's see. How do you review a road? Well, for starters, it is, a road. Now on paper, the Bandra Worli Sea Link is a 4.7 kilometer stretch of bridge that connects Bandra, which is a suburb of Mumbai, to Worli, which is in town. But for a Mumbai commuter, it's so much more than that. It turns what used to be a 40-minute drive filled with traffic snarls and honking into a 5-minute breeze. And if you're a Mumbai commuter, you know what a blessing that is. But that sort of convenience doesn't come cheap. While official toll rates haven't been announced yet, a one-way trip down the Sea Link is expected to cost between 35 to 40 rupees. Now you might think that's a bit expensive, but I guess you've got to ask yourself, would you rather save 40 minutes or 40 rupees? And then there's the question of the fuel you'll save by just cruising down this stretch in 5 minutes instead of taking 40 minutes in slow, snarling traffic. Every big city needs a modern landmark to boast about. Kuala Lumpur has the Petronas Towers, London has the London Eye, and now we have this. Now with an engineering feat of this size, there's always going to be some staggering facts in there. For example, the bridge cost over 500 crore to build. If you look at that top pillar there, that's 126 meters high. That's the height of a 45-story building. And if you took all this cabling, unwound it and laid it end to end, you'd get enough to lap the circumference of the Earth. If that's not cool, I don't know what is. But that's not the best part about being invited to check out the Sea Link before it opens. Now when you think of the Mumbai skyline, you usually think of Marine Drive, Nariman Point, everything you've seen in a countless Bollywood movies. But getting to see the skyline from here, from the Sea Link, for the first time, you've got a completely new view of the city. You get a view of Bandra, Worli, everything. I cannot remember the last time I saw the city looking like this. It's staggering, really. For years, public officials have talked about turning Mumbai into Shanghai, and let's face it, for years, we've laughed at them. But now, with a project like the Bandra Worli Sea Link finally standing on Mumbai's open waters, there might be truth to that statement. So well, your move, Shanghai.